Hi, That Clean Life community. In this quick tip, we're going to show you how to quickly update your clients' nutrition plans using the Auto Update feature. Auto Update is available to Plus Plan subscribers and allows you to update your clients' meal plans in seconds. No more spending hours adjusting plans. Instead, update your smart rules and Auto Update will update your plan in real time. To automatically update any meal plan, open up the plan and then click the Smart button. From here, you can see what smart rules are set for this plan and adjust them as needed. For example, if your client doesn't like broccoli but forgot to mention that to you when you first created their meal plan, you can now add broccoli as an ingredient to exclude. Simply add broccoli to the Exclude Ingredients field in all of the ways that it appears inside of the software. When you click Edit Plan, we'll audit your plan to see how many conflicts you have. When you click Auto Update, we'll resolve all conflicts for you by swapping out conflicting recipes for ones that match your SMART rules. In this example, conflicts are recipes that contain broccoli, and by clicking Auto Update, you'll be removing recipes that contain broccoli and swapping in new recipes that do not contain broccoli. You can use your grocery list to double-check the swaps. Let's walk through another example. Let's say you want to make this plan gluten-free. Simply click the Smart button and add the gluten-free tag. Then click Edit Plan and Auto Update. Once you select Auto Update, your plan will be gluten-free. If you'd like to ignore the conflicts and not Auto Update the plan, simply dismiss the message by clicking the X. Auto Update will save you time from making manual updates to plans and help you offer personalized nutrition at scale. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tip. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out by sending us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com.